Do you like trivia and answering questions? And do you like the idea of answering trivia and questions and getting money while doing this? So this is what I'm going to talk to you about, guys, today. Today I'm going to show you an app, which is a trivia app where you can test your knowledge, and based on the answers, if you are good, you're going to get paid, and you're going to get paid in a good amount of money as well. So it's an international app. I'm going to talk to you in a bit, just a second. So before we go ahead and start this video, I would like to ask you, if you haven't already, to go ahead and click the subscribe button. It would be a great honor for me, guys, to have you in my channel, because I'm learning a lot from you. So go ahead and click the subscribe channel. And as always, if you'd like to see my #1 recommendation on passive income, don't forget to click the link below. And with no further ado, guys, let's go ahead and start today's video. I would like you to check HQ Trivia on Google Play or iOS, based on what you have, and it's going to bring you to this page here, which is HQ Trivia. And what this does, HQ is a live trivia game show with cash prizes every day at 9 p.m. Eastern Time and weekdays at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. And if you can see here, it's live trivia game show with win prizes. You are gonna having different questions on the live show, and during epic multiplayer games, you'll be able to see the answers here. Oh, sorry. And you'll be able to see the answers here. Win money, cash out with PayPal, which is always great. And if you're one of the good players and the answers you're giving is the correct ones, besides the money you're gonna be winning, if you start getting a spot on the leadership board, you're gonna even get more money. And you can see people here, like starting from the bottom, people starting on 40, 820, 850, 870, 1020 money, and go from there with the top leaders to be this guy Tim Jones here, with getting 6,023 USD for his answers, guys. So it's a very good app. You're gonna get paid. It's fun. Answer the trivia question is always fun. You can test your knowledge. You can see that it's a 3.8 rating out of 5, which is pretty good. And about 70,000 reviews about this trivia. It's already to play. As you can see, some of the top feedback: easy to play, super fun, addictive, exactly what it says on the tin. You are good with the knowledge, fun way to flex your mind muscle, and you can win by making money as well. Guys, this is amazing. I already suggested this to a few friends because I downloaded for my side that I love it. When you're sitting on the couch, when you have a free time at work, when you have a break or something like that, when you have a free time in your hands, you can use this and you can make some money out of it. Why not? Especially in why browse on Facebook and see what other people are doing. Instead of, you can use this trivia app, answer questions. Pretty fun, especially if you're doing well. You're gonna be really fun and excited. I was really thrilled when I downloaded, and based on your questions and answer, you can make some money out of it. So go ahead and do it. Directly payment on your PayPal account, nothing to lose. It's not gonna make you rich overnight, but it can bring you some good income if you're good in your answers and you know your stuff. You can definitely make some good money, like Tim Jones, Martin, and Marina did a few thousands. But if you want to see my #1 recommendation on how you can make passive income, don't forget to click the link below. My #1 recommendation, the best tested way that I found to make money. Money comes in while you sleep, while you eat. It's free to join. Click, nothing to lose. Check it out. I think it's gonna change your life like it changed mine. And this is it, guys. If you like the content of this video, as always, don't forget to click the thumbs up. It would be meaning a lot to me. And don't forget to subscribe if this is your first video. Thank you, guys. Enjoy the day. Start making some money. See you in the next video. Thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye.